Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, I want to talk about sleep. It is incredibly important for health, recovery, including fat loss. You want to make sure that your sleep is dialed in, you're prioritizing that sleep, and you're making that something that you do every single day. One of the factors that I have really focused on to make my sleep even better is adjusting the temperature. I run pretty hot. Sleeping in a cooler condition is going to help pretty much most people based on science. But if you run hot like me, you definitely want to prioritize that. I am not able to get into a good deep sleep or REM sleep. All of those are impacted if I am not cool. There's a few things that I do to really work on staying cool. Obviously, if you have some kind of air conditioning, that's going to help because it makes it less humid. I personally have a window air unit, one that has the little hose and hooks to the window individually in my room, on top of having central air. I do that because on certain days when, one, I'm either feeling really hot as I go to sleep, or two, it's just kind of warm in the room because it's been a really hot day, it's really muggy, I have another option because I know that I'm not going to sleep as well. Another thing that I do to make sure that I stay cooler is I run fans. I have a pretty heavy duty fan that I run pretty much every night. It does make a fair bit of noise, so that's something I've gotten used to, but if that's something you don't like, that could be a challenge. However, I run that pretty much every night. It is, I don't know what the exact speed is, but it's from Menards, and it is pretty heavy duty. I like it. What I have recently discovered is that if I run that fan over the bed, not necessarily blowing on me, I have another fan that is by the window. If it's a cooler night, I can open the window and put that in the window to blow over me the other direction. When those two fans are blowing towards me and towards each other, it really helps create a lot of airflow. That helps me to feel cooler. So with central air, setting the temperature lower at night, having an individual air conditioner if I need it. I try not to run it all the time, but it is an option for when I'm feeling hot or it's just been a hot day and the air is not keeping up. I also have multiple fans. Additionally, you can look at things like your bedding, what kind of clothing are you using, maybe using a little bit lighter blanket. I shift over to a sheet in the evenings in the summertime so that I have something, but I'm just shifted over to something that's a lot lighter than like a fleece blanket or something like that. So a few things to consider specific to sleep and prioritizing that for your health, recovery, your longevity, fat loss, whatever your goal. Sleep is imperative. It's something you want to make sure you prioritize every single night. If you have comments, questions, leave those below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Check out some of my other videos on health, fitness, wellness, nutrition, also some DIY, some Walmart Spark. Check those out and let me know what you want to see. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.